Okay, go test them out then.
Hi guys, today I'm unboxing my new Heelys and I hope you enjoy my video.
Wow.
This one already.
Olivia's got her new Heelys. As you can see on this one, our own wheels. They come standard like this, and if you ask the guy in the shop, they'll tell you how to fit your wheels. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you quickly how to fit the wheels on a pair of Heelys. These are original Heelys and we got them from Smyths. Super special tool to help put your wheels on, and at a later date if you want to replace your wheels you can take them.
All you have to do is chat.
One and take the other one off. It tells you, look, small wheel, medium size wheel. So you're just going to go right ahead and put your wheels in the designated slots. It takes quite a hard push, Olivia, so an adult will have to do this. And then we're going to push these in with the palm of our hands. Did you hear that click, everybody? As soon as you've clicked all the wheels in, just double check that they're all in. Just double check they're all in securely. Wow, feels smooth.